like an apple, shiny and sweet. Blue like the sky high over your feet. Yellow's the sun so bright and warm. Green like the grass where the bunnies farm. Purple like grapes in a juicy bunch. Orange like carrots we munch for lunch. Pink like the flowers that bloom in spring. Brown like the bear who loves to sing. Black like the night where stars will play. White like the clouds that drift away. Let's learn our colors one by one. Exploring the world is so much fun.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.